Let's review your MT7 LT9 assignment. Don't forget your name on the first question. You can't do anything. If you don't put your name on it, can't give you credit. In ALEKS, make sure you do the assignment in ALEKS for this before you start on this. That'll get you some of the basic problems down. If we take a look at number 17, we want to complete this table and notice the wasps are growing at a rate of 1.25 each week. So we're going to multiply by 1.25 each week for the first 5 weeks. So we take 228. We're going to multiply that by 1.25. And we get 285 wasps. Whoops. Okay, then we'll take 285 times 1.25. And we'll round that, we'll say about 356. Although I'll keep that number in my calculator, I'm going to write down 356 for the second week. Then I'll take 356.25 times 1.25, and I'll round that, and I'll say about 445. I'll take that answer times 1.25. And we'll say that's about 557. We'll round that to the nearest whole number. And then finally, we'll take that answer times 1.25. And round to the nearest wasp. So 696. Now, there are two correct answers you can put down for the equation. I think the most obvious one is WT. We're going to take 228. We're going to multiply that by 1.25 to the T power. It's a geometric sequence, so if you choose to write it in the geometric sequence form, that means we'd start in the first term, so I'd say 285 times 1.25 to the T minus 1 power. Either one of these questions is correct. You don't have to do both. Now in question number 2, does it make sense to have negative values of T? No, it doesn't. You can't have negative values of T. The reason? We don't know how many wasps there were before week 1. We don't know if that rule keeps on following. And, for example, maybe they just started with 228 wasps, or maybe they've been building it. We don't know. So it just doesn't make sense for negative values. Now, does it make sense to have decimals? Well, yes. Decimals would be part of the week. So if you had like 3.5, it would be 3.5 weeks in. And if you had like 4 2/7, it'd be 4 weeks and 2 days. Let's take a look here. Well, we'll make a different video for the next